Plaintiff Vonda Scott admits she used to drink, but insists she stopped because anytime she was drunk, she would black out and become violent. Vonda says she turned her life around, but now she's worried that her son, the defendant, is headed down the same path. Vonda's suing her son because she claims the defendant got drunk at a family function and assaulted her. Defendant Robert Hoffman admits he likes to drink from time to time, but doesn't believe he has a drinking problem. Robert insists he loves his mother, and he claims after his mother forced him to leave the family function on the night in question, she's the one who attacked him. He's countersuing for gas money.
Let's start with you, ma'am.
I'd like to tell you, if I can, a little bit about my past.
Sure.
And I can see the same thing pattern with my son. I wasn't a daily drinker, but an occasional. And when I drank, I blacked out. And I did things that you wouldn't believe. You wouldn't even believe
How
it.
you know if you were blacked out?
Well, because other people told me.
Oh,
That's the
okay.
only way I can tell the story, is because they
Alright.
told me.
Go ahead.
And so my
Tell me.
ex had another woman pregnant, and I went out to try to drown my sorrows. And that's the wrong thing to do when you're that upset, and you shouldn't drink. But anyway, I went out and got drunk, wrecked my car, came home, did a demolition derby on his friend's car with all of the...
You got everybody but him.
I did, I got them all.
What happened with him?
Well, I tried to chase them down with the car, both
Okay.
of them. They were running all over the place, and I was chasing them all over the place.
right.
And so then they jumped up on our lawn, which is a wall, and the lawn up here. They thought they could escape me, but I jumped that wall and went after them. They ran in the house.
You jumped the wall physically.
No, my car. I jumped my car over there. They ran in the house and locked me out, and that was the wrong thing to do because I had this hammer with me. So I smashed out all the windows, and they finally let me in. In the meantime, I guess my ex called the police. I mean, I know he did because they showed up, 6 of them. And they had a deal with me, and I'm not a big woman. I was even a little smaller then.
You fought the police.
Big time. That one officer put me down and said, "Booker." So I had to go to jail for 2 hours, stood there and prayed the whole time I was there, said, "I'm never going to be in here again, never." So right after that, I decreased my drinking and quit about 25, 30 years ago myself.
That's that long.
And yeah, I don't even have one drink. Yeah. So anyway, that's what I'm trying to do with him.
All right, before we get to the incident you're suing him about for your medical bills and the assault, let me allow him to give some background.
Start off, Your Honor, I'd like to say that my mother is a wonderful woman. I love her and respect her, and she raised me right with integrity. I went out to my daughter's graduation last year.
Now, that's the incident you're getting to?
Yeah.
Yes.
Let her tell me about the incident because she's suing you for it. Go ahead.
Okay.
He didn't really want to go because we had kind of planned our time together, and we get along really well.
Oh, we do.
When he's sober, we're alike. We're a lot alike.
Scrabble.
And we enjoy everything. We enjoy same
Good.
things. Anyway, we went out there drinking. He's tequila, beer, the whole thing. Next thing I know, here he is. His pants are falling off. He's like on the ground. It was insane. Anyway, they asked us to leave. Put him in the car with me, said he's going to pass out. Well, he didn't pass out. For 5.5 hours we dealt. He doesn't know, he didn't remember a thing. All he remembered was I scratched him and I hit him.
Why?
Well, he was kicking all the inside of the car. He was beating on everything. He had big jugs of water pouring it on me when I'm driving down
Why?
the freeway. Because he was drunk. And he hated me. See, they always hate
He
everybody.
just said he loves you and he respects
I
you.
know that, but when you're drunk, you don't even know what you're doing. I mean, like him and I never knew what we were doing.
Remember the time I went to your house?
I must have blacked out. You tell me about this. Did that happen?
Not quite like that.
Tell me how it happened.
Okay, she was right about the part of I really didn't want to go. I thought we could all get together, do some lunch, not a big party. I'm there for my daughter's graduation and to see my mom, you know. So anyways, first thing the family says was, "Hey, Robbie and Zach, why don't you go to the store, get some tequila, get some margarita mix, and let's party." "Hey, Robbie, why don't you make some wonderful margaritas? You're the best." Okay, so I make the margaritas. I turn around to everybody. "What? no shots? I'm like, shots? Are you guys kidding me? My mom's here. Bottoms up. The next thing you know, we're having a great time. The NBA Finals come on, Celtics, Lakers. I open my big mouth and I say, the Celtics have this in the bag. So my brother-in-laws and friends are going, get out of here, take your mom, go home. They start razzing me. She took it the wrong way. She came in and grabbed me and said, we're out of here, time to go. You've had way too much to drink. Okay.
Get in the car and what happens?
Verbal back and forth, and she's just
About
driving.
what?
She treats me like a kid, Your Honor.
That's what you started talking
she's trying to
about.
hold my hand at a party in front of people, and I'm a grown adult.
You were drunk.
On vacation?
You were drunk.
No, I'm an adult, and I'm
You
trying to
were
relax.
drunk.
I had some drinks. It's true. It's true.
That's why she had to hold your hand and get you out of the party.
So anyways, as anybody has been intoxicated, if somebody puts their hands on them, yells at them, screams at them, they're going to try to defend themselves.
Not against their mother. No, not against their senior citizen mother. Nobody does that, sir.
I would never lay a hand on my mother. I love her. I would never lay a hand on her.
What did happen?
I had got scratched and bruised and kicked and yelled at and, everything else.
No.
All the way home in 5.5 hours.
And then what?
She only
You never
lives 2 hours
defended
away.
yourself?
Walked upstairs and went and laid down on the couch, and she went to her room, slammed the door, and locked it.
No.
The next day,
Why did she start assaulting you in the car?
I said, Mom, I can't believe this just happened. Can we just go have our El Burrito lunch and just get on with life? No, son, get out of my house. I never want to see you again.
Why do you think she did that?
Because she was so angry about the
what?
drinking, the belligerence,
She's never seen you drunk before.
Not like that.
All right, but he says you assaulted him because you were angry.
No.
And then
I did. I had to hit him. I hit him hard twice. And I didn't argue with him. He doesn't remember.
Counterclaim for $60 for gas money, sir.
Your Honor, I'm the one who woke up with the scratches on my arms and the bruises. And
Anyone have any evidence? Let me see. You have medical bills you're suing for, right?
Yes.
Go ahead. Gas?
Gasoline in the rental car. It was just a wasted trip, and I figured, well, you just took it upon yourself
Did she agree to
take my
repay you
car.
before you paid for the gas?
Over the phone, yes.
Did you, ma'am?
No.
All right.
He doesn't remember anything. He's telling the wrong story.
This was a few months ago.
It was a year
Children love
ago.
him very much, but
To
want
pay
the
for the-
fun sober dad all the
See?
time. And your name is Vodka?
Vanda.
Oh, Vonda.
Please.
I'm sorry.
I quit drinking.
Oh, okay, I'm sorry. Forgive me. All right. So I'm sorry, man. Your $60 is dismissed. She doesn't agree that she agreed to pay you. Doesn't sound like she did either. $325 for your claim, medical expenses in the assault. I believe you because you provide me evidence of physical damage you suffered. Hopefully it didn't happen like I'm thinking it might have, because I know you wouldn't assault your mother in any real form or fashion in your right mind.
Heavens no, Your Honor.
Have a good day. Judgment for the plaintiff.
I just want him to quit drinking. I want him to quit.
One more word. Those of you out there who do drink, don't drink around your mother.
No,
please.
just don't drink.
I love you, Mom.
Love you.